out here at the WyoTech Career Fair, the biggest one we have to date. So my first question for you, Chino, is how's this job fair going for you all around?
It's going pretty good. I've gotten a couple job offers. I've had a couple interviews since yesterday, and so I think it's going pretty good.
Awesome. And how old are you, Chino?
I'm 19.
Could you tell us where you're from and how old you are?
I'm from Oahu, Hawaii. I'm 20 years old.
Could you just give us a overall feel of how this career fair is going for you?
Career fair, honestly, to me, is it's a wonderful thing. You know, there's all these different employers here. I did get a couple offers yesterday for my interviews because it's rare for them to find a female in diesel who wants to do all this.
So how many job offers have you gotten?
I want to say maybe 4 or 5.
So far from the career fair, I've gone 2. And then outside of the career fair, I've gone like 4.
What skills are you using in these interviews to get those job offers?
I think it's more just when they ask me, tell me about yourself. I'm like, I'm a very outgoing person. I love talking to people. I love doing what I do. I think that's kind of it.
Most of it is just charisma. Just if you know how to talk, you know, have that mouthpiece.
Exuding confidence.
Oh, yeah.
How's your education at WyoTech helping you get job offers?
Well, it's helped me a lot just because there's a lot of need for technicians around just everywhere in the country. So just kind of saying that you go to a school where they teach you to be a good technician with a good education is something that employers actually really look for.
What are these benefits and compensation packages looking like for you?
A lot of them are like the 401k matching, dental relocation, tuition reimbursement. A lot of them are also offering me like 24 to 30 an hour. It's not so much of the pay that's kind of grasping me to them. It's so much more of like how they are.
Yeah, you want to make sure you're a good fit for the company.
I want to make sure I'm a good fit for them and they're going to be a good fit for me.
So how does it compare to jobs that you've had in the past?
I've had a couple big boy jobs here and there, like construction, stuff like that, but nothing really compares to this just because you actually get benefits here and it's something that I want long term.
And having so many offers, what's one thing that stands out that's most important to you when accepting one of these offers?
I think the biggest thing that stands out to me when it comes to employers is a lot of them say they're family companies, but the employees are not family. If I can go to work and, you know, have like a guy come up to me and be like, good morning, you know, kind of have that family feeling. I don't want it to be just like oh yeah, we're like family, but you're kind of on your own. I want it to be genuinely like a family.
Awesome. So you're looking for longevity in your career?
Yeah, pretty much.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years and what's kind of like your dream job?
Well, diesel's kind of my dream job, so it's kind of where I'm at right now.
My dream job would be a race car driver because I was into that like before I got here, but my mom was like, nah, you got to go to college, so here I am.
And what does your family think about you attending WyoTech and going into the field?
My mom's been actually very supportive of it. At first, she really wanted me to go to college. And then once I kind of told her that that wasn't really what I wanted to do and that I'm not really going to try as much in college as I am here, it kind of all shifted. And now she's really supportive with where I'm going, what I'm going to do and stuff like that.
So your mom must be pretty relieved that you're studying something you're actually interested in.
Yeah. She's actually very relieved when I tell her, oh, like I got a job offer for here and I got a job offer for there. She gets really excited because I have a couple friends who did go to college and they're not getting job offers like me. It's really nice for her to hear that I'm getting job offers right out of the gate at 19, you know?
And how are these job offers you're getting going to help you get your dream job of being a race car driver?
A lot of it is just kind of getting my foot in the door of motorsports and stuff like that. So for right now, like I'm trying to get jobs with Audi and BMW or stuff like that so that I could get my foot in the door for the race team and then just eventually kind of prove myself as a driver.
So what are some pieces of advice you could give your peers for conducting these interviews?
Smile. When you smile, you kind of open up a little bit more. You kind of give them that like, hey, I'm very approachable. I would love to work for you. You know, can you give me something? Be you shows the employer really who you are, you know, and they can debate if they want you or not. If they don't like who you are, then that, you know, it is what it is. But if it can love you for who you are in the interviews, they're going to love you when you're working for them. Don't lower your standards for a job. You go with an employer who values you, who shows you what you're worth, your standards and how you feel about yourself, how you feel about what you do, it's just going to keep going up.
Don't sell yourself short because you are the prize they're looking for you. Know your worth, and if you do good work, then let them know.